Costco sued the Trump administration over tariffs. But wait, I sort of thought this was already happening with the Supreme Court and everything like that. Well, let me dig in, right? So, as we know, there's a case that has gone all the way up to the Supreme Court, basically saying that Trump's tariffs are illegal. And a lot of people, a lot of judicial experts and Supreme Court watchers are saying that the Supreme Court likely will roll back at least some of Trump's tariffs, right? That would mean that then people that sort of paid tariffs, these illegally applied tariffs, get their refund. Well, yes and no. See, it's not guaranteed, it's not automatic. And that's what Costco understands, right? Costco understands that there is a window period in which you can file a protest. Now, you can't file a protest now on these tariffs because SCOTUS hasn't come down with an official decision, right? So if we were to sort of file a protest with customs and say, hey, this shipment we overpaid, they're going to say no and reject it immediately. But there's a window here. You can't sort of go all the way back 2, 3, 5 years about sort of saying, hey, I think I overpaid a tariff. There are windows that close. And the loophole that Costco is betting on is that if you have an active court case about it, even if that window sort of closes, you can still claw back to that point because you filed your case within the window period, right? That's what Costco is betting on. Now, does this mean every company should do this, right? I mean, you're talking about suing the US government. That's a tall order. That's expensive. And especially considering that it's not a guarantee, we still don't know what SCOTUS is going to do. We don't know what, if any, they're going to roll back. We don't know how the refund process is going to work. For a company like Costco, that a lot of stuff that they sell is all imported and they make billions of dollars, right? I mean, spending a couple million or tens of millions of dollars, that might be a worthwhile hedge or insurance policy to sort of guarantee keeping your window open to claiming a refund, not even guaranteeing of the refund. So, if this is the situation that you're in, I'd love to hear from you. Comment down below or reach back out to us. If you are a Farpoint Global client, we have already emailed you about this so we can sort of sit down together, look at the amount of tariffs you paid, and only you, your board, and your advisors can figure out whether the juice is worth the squeeze here in doing what you need to do to protect your right to a potential refund. Anyway, crazy times as always. Like and subscribe. Your margins will thank you.